Okay, this is try number 4 because I didn't get it right the first time, and I've had to do it a couple of times since then, and this is what I figured out this time. Oops, wrong part. Got to get in the right place. So you can pull that up. This is part of OBS. Now you can pull that up and see everything, see me, see whatever else you want to see, I guess. But anyway, to get me back in the corner. And last time I did this, didn't have enough screen share. So this is what I'm gonna do this time. I'm gonna pick it up some. So when you see what I'm gonna look at over here and what I'm doing there, then you'll be able to see what I'm pointing to, hopefully. That's my goal. And this time, because see, last time I thought I needed it straight down, but I think I need it like this to be able to give you a good shot of what I'm doing. Okay, let's try this now and see if it works. Now, this is OBS, so this is how you fix the screen in OBS if you're going to share the screen, is what it appears, where you want to share parts of it anyway, whichever part. So we're going to see if this works. We're going to go to here now to get back to this YouTube video. This is the one from yesterday, the one I promised you I was going to show you how to make a timeline. Now you see I've got a timeline down here already. You might have seen that if you watched the first run of this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the video up to the point where I get to where this is your first time, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. So we play it up to, I know where it's at, so I'm going to bring it on up here. 2:12. Okay, now look. Number 1. See? Number 1 at 2:12. Okay, we're going to go down here and see that's 2:12. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Go to add a comment. 2:12. Oops. Just like we saw on the timeline up here. See, it's got to have the same thing there. Then we got number 1. Actually, we'll do this number 1. Create clickable. Did I spell it right? No, I missed a L, didn't I? Clickable table of clickable table of contents. Okay, we're going to go to number 2. Number 2 is 3:32. This is going to be number 2. Sort your YouTube videos into a playlist. Now see, we know that's at 3:32, so we bring our line up here. We know where. And let's see, when I click on this to play, it's going to number 2. See, number 2 right off the top. So if you got a numbered schedule in your thing, that's how you want to do it. Now we're going to come down here. We know the next one's at 6:04. And this is number 3. Build anticipation YouTube Premiere. And we know that one's at 6:04. I mean, I can show it, though. You can look and see. We'll go to 6:04. Okay, now when you click on 6:04, this is what it's going to do. Number 3. Number 3. That's exactly where we want it. Number 3. Okay. 8:52. I missed the 8 somehow. 852. Now this one don't have a number. All it was 3 things. But this is going to say pull engaged viewers from Google. If I knew how to type with more than 2 fingers, I'd be better at this. See, I tell you, sometimes it's amazing, ain't it? Just capitalize these 2 letters. Okay. Pull engaged viewers from Google to YouTube. Now that's all of that. Now we can go up there and I can show you that too, but I'm pretty sure you're convinced now. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this. Comment is save. Poof. And we're saved. Now I'm going to delete this one down here. It's not going to show up no more. See, now watch. I just made all of this. Y'all watched me. Now, let's go back to the beginning of the video. Okay, now watch. When I hit it at 212, what happens? See what happened? 212. Now, let's go to 332. 332. 604. 604. 852. 852. So, if you got it down here, it'll come up to the exact moment there. So if you've got a numbered list, I mean, yeah, all the things on the screen is going to help too, but when you come down here at the bottom, I mean, that tells you, that keeps you from having to hear it, I guess. You can read it. But down here, it's going to put you in pieces. So when you go to SEO optimization and you're looking for viewer time and they want to see something in particular, they might not want to watch your whole video just to find it out. Maybe they'll go to find a different video that's shorter. So if you number your content or a clickable table of contents here, then you can skip all the rest of that and just jump right to the point where they want to be. 852. Okay. Now we're going to find out if this is... Anyway, y'all not going to be able to find it out unless I post it. So if it works out, like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Please give me a comment down below in case you found this of value. And till tomorrow, I'll have a new one of something I don't know yet. It looks like Instagram, but maybe it'll be more on YouTube. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later.